Okay, good morning. Today's menu is chicken. I'm gonna bake this chicken without anything but this garlic, roasted garlic oil, because my patient cannot eat with the salt or whatever. So we're just gonna use this. So I'm gonna marinate this one first and bake it. No fry, whatever, because it's not good for my patient. Yeah. Cut it in pieces, bite size. Then we're gonna marinate it into this and then just sprinkle it all over. Marinate it maybe like an hour. There you go. You see, we'll bake it after an hour. Ready to bake. We'll put some rosemary like that. Then we'll cover it up. Right, and then we'll bake. That's looking good, chicken. Looking good.